Okay, third video of game 2. So we did this nice thing for the horizontal bar. And just check, make sure it's still running. Boom, starts in the middle there with 0, 0 going back and forth. And you notice the sign of this H step changing. All right, fine. All right, let's stop here. Now, we want to do the same thing for the V bar, only we want it to be in Y. We could actually just take this code and copy it. See it wiggle? Ah, we got it. All right. It flips back. Nice. So we go here and we'll pull this code down, except most of it's wrong because we want to do Y step and not X step. So let's make a new variable called Y step. Y-S-T-E-P, camel case again. And let's make it just for this sprite. It's the only one we need it for. And we do OK. And we also, since it's been marked, we will see it. And now the thing we have to do is let's push this up here. Now, first of all, that's wrong. We don't want to change X. We want to change Y. So go up here and let's find change Y. And we put that here and we go to variables and we find Y step and we stick that in here. And if touching edge, what are we going to do? Oh, come on, sorry. If we're going to touch the edge, we don't want to change X step, we want to change Y step. And that's fine, but now we don't want Y step here, so we have to get rid of that. We want, that was X step, we want Y step, and here we go. Now this should work, except now where are we going to put this thing? Let's start it, say, over here, and if we look in where the go to, that's here. Okay, so let's just set that up here when we do reset. And let's see what happens. It's not moving. Okay, why? Actually, stop this video and you figure out why. Okay, you're back. The reason is, let's look at the variable. What's the value of Y step? If I click on it, it's 0, so it's not moving because we didn't set it to anything. So we need to do that. So let's use the set up here in setup, and we can set Y step. Make sure we're in Y now. Make sure we're in the V bar. Yeah, okay, fine. And we can set this to say, I don't know, let's set it to 4. There we go. Now what happens? Bang. We're going. Okay. Boys are back and forth. Bang. And notice the sign of V bar, Y step, it's -4 because it's going down. Now it's going up, +4, -4. Okay? Make sense? Pretty cool. All right, we're in good shape now. Now the next thing we need to do, we've tested it. Everything seems to be working. Look, make sure that you've got this working. This would be a great place to stop. In fact, yeah, no, we'll keep this video going. It's only 3 minutes. So now we have to go back and see what happens when we have a collision. Okay, so one of the things we need is to make a block that says where is touch V bar, because we're in the horizontal bar. Now, by the way, one of the things you'll hear a term sometimes if you get into this is race conditions. And that happens when you have the H bar testing if it hits the V bar and the V bar testing when it hits the H bar. You don't want two of them. The computers can get very, very confused and do terrible things. So just make sure you only do it one place. So what we will do is look for it. And one of the ways we can do that is this back to sensing. And we have a thing where you can see if you're touching things. Let's look what you can see. You can see the mouse pointer, the edge, the cat, the balloon, or how about V bar or the sprite go go. This is the one we want. So we're going to test for that. And this is touching V bar. Let's put this over here. Okay, so now we need an if statement, so we get that from control. See how these things sort of fall in a pattern type thing, if I can pull it over. So if we're touching the Vbar, what do we want to have happen? Well, one thing we want to do is we want to hide the horizontal bar and the vertical bar, by the way. So one of the things we'll do is, first of all, we need to broadcast a message. And we say broadcast. We'll put it right here, inside here, and we're going to broadcast a new message which says, hit Vbar. Okay, we're going to send that message. But also, since we're here, let's go into looks and make sure we hide. So we broadcast, then we hide. Now, how long are we going to wait? Let's wait 5 seconds, okay? Under control, we have a wait, so let's put the wait in here. So we're going to wait, say 5 seconds. And then, what are we going to do? Basically, we're going to reset. And one of the things that I forgot to do, which we should do it now, is make sure we put a show and reset. So we wait 5 seconds, and then we just basically want to reset. Now, we haven't talked about reset where this message is being received, but let's just see if we put this in here. Let's see if this works. Now, they're going to bang into each other pretty soon here, so let's see. Oh, it looks like here. Notice? See the horizontal guy disappear? And it will then also, we need to react to the message. So that's what we'll do with the next video. So let's stop, and we will see what happens here.